Have you ever felt that you were a little bit unproductive and you would like to speed up your workflow? I'm going to show you a way of how to dramatically increase your productivity when working in Windows. One of the misconceptions that is very difficult to find shortcuts, but I will show you inside Microsoft Word how easy it is for you to find the exact shortcut you'll need for future referencing. When you look at your Word document, you'll notice that every single menu above, when you hit the Alt key, will bring up a shortcut reference. That reference will be defined as we can see here, F, H, N, J, I, G, P, S, etc. If you hit this Alt key again, it goes away. So let's assume we wanted to have a look at the shortcut key to insert something. We will clearly use the Alt key. We can then hit N and will bring up another list of shortcut keys available on your menu tab. So now that we know the shortcut key to insert a table is T, if we are on a Word document, if we hit Alt NT, we're able to insert a table. Let's work with some text right now. To create a text block is quite easy inside Microsoft Word. You can use the symbol equal to, the word lorem, open and close brackets, and enter. What that would do is insert Latin gibberish, which is referred to as lorem ipsum. I told you that, I don't know if it actually has real meaning though. Common shortcut keys we would like to learn today is the following. Control A, Control C, and Control V. Let's have a look when we're working with our lorem ipsum text what that means. Let's start off with Control A. Control A selects everything. Once you've got everything selected, we are welcome to use Control C, which is the shortcut key for copy. Then we are able to use Control V to paste that content. So Control A, Control C, and Control V. One side note, when working with documents of any nature, it is in your best interest to start your document and immediately save that document to a location. The reason why you want to do that is because built into Microsoft, the applications generally have an autosave function. It kind of helps you if something goes wrong along the way. You don't want to be that person that drafts a document for 2 hours and don't have a saved version of it. So normally, just remember, open your document and immediately save that very document. The short brief tutorial was brought to you by SDK. Thank you. And like Glenton would say, don't forget to like and subscribe.